Welcome to Birdbath and Beyond. We set up these cameras in our backyard in the French countryside back in 2020. And in 2024, we decided to put the videos online and share them with you. At Birdbath and Beyond, you will find a wide variety of wild birds, cats, foxes, hedgehogs, and more. They all stop by for a drink, a bath, something to eat, or even to play. These videos are not just for people, they can also be for your pets. We are currently focusing on producing longer videos and playlists for your viewing pleasure. We plan to keep making videos and improve the quality and add more cameras to our backyard. We had a great time making these videos, and we hope you enjoy watching them as much as we do. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for stopping by.